Sully, I need your help more than anyone. Hi guys, this is Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas, and if you want to learn this makeup tutorial, then stay with me till the end of the video. And without further ado, let's get this started.
Let's start this Jack Skellington look with something a little inside out. I'm eating a banana first and then rubbing the peel on my skin. Yeah, banana skincare moment. It actually helps create a barrier so the heavy face paint that we are going to use comes off easier later. And now time to go ghostly white. So I have used this white face paint and applying it evenly all over my face with a brush because of course Jack is iconically white. And once the base is set, I have set it up with a white powder so it just doesn't move around. And now a little trick, I'm applying Vaseline on my eyebrows to prevent staining from the dark paint, and then I'm going in with the black face paint to create those big hollow eyes, Jack's signature spooky stare. And it has actually made the look so spooky, as you can see after I'm finished. And it's your choice that how much intense you want to go. And now using the same black paint, I am painting my lips black with a thin brush. It's basically a lip brush, and you can just see how the looks actually coming together. I made a mistake. I just like did this to my lips, and later on I just perfected it. And now I am going to add his stitch smile across the cheeks. A few simple lines, and boom! Instant skeleton charm. As you can see, it's pretty easy, nothing difficult. And finally, I am painting that small triangle nose, and it actually makes the look so skeleton like, and it really make the look come together. And it's simple, fun, very creepy, and yeah, here it is. Jack Skellington for you. And I threw on a white wig to make it look more animated, but honestly, you can totally rock your natural hair too because Jack's technically bald.
So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, then Sully, I need your help. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and until we meet again, take care of yourself, love you guys, and ciao.